Mr. Flux is our 58-year-old worker. He is filling out his form to qualify for a career break allowance. For this, he needs to submit no less than 3 forms. The C-62 from the National Employment Office, which he must request there, a recent payslip, and the FM-58 form from the fund. He must then submit these to his union or directly to the fund if he's not a union member. The union or the fund must manually verify and input the file into their systems, along with scanning the attached forms. Files submitted by the union must be checked and supplemented again by the fund. After this, the fund issues a payment order to the union. The union processes the payment and sends it back to the fund, after which the fund transfers the amounts to the union. As you can see, there's quite a bit of back and forth in this process. This process is very long, requires a lot of paperwork, and it stresses the whole system. But what if I told you there was a better way, an automated way? The new way checks if the worker meets the requirements for career break based on the A014 Flux. Eligible workers are checked in the vault for their union membership status in a secure way. Data in the vault already contains up-to-date membership lists that will enable the system to forward payments to appropriate unions. Benefits for white-collar workers and those that do not meet the requirements are returned to the fund. The unions and the fund will pay them. Now everyone automatically gets benefits without having to apply.